what if I told you that you could earn passive income online, okay, without a product, without an audience, and without spending times online? So this might sound too good, right? And I thought so too. But a few methods that I use and it actually works for me, okay? It actually works for me and it's still paying me every single week. Right, so in this video I'll show you guys step by steps how you too can do the same and start making money in this online space. Right, let me take you back on the journey. Like when I started this, I was struggling and doing all online stuffs for me to survive, okay? But as one day that I saw a post, like I joined the affiliate marketing at that time, and that in that mindset keep changing. Like I don't need to jump into core business because before I start making money in this online space. So for me to start affiliate marketing at that time, I don't have money to invest, I don't have money to buy a course, I don't have money to get a product to sell, okay? But at that time I still struggling to get started. So I struggled till I get access to someone that really introduced me to this affiliate marketing, explain it to me well without getting money. When I started this affiliate marketing journey, I started recommending tools, free tools that I use to people's online, okay? And once there are people that are joining all these platform, okay, I join all these tools platform that I normally use. So all these companies partner with me and give me money as commissions based on what I did. Like I refer someone to them to use that same tools that I'm using. Mind you, I'm using it for free. The free tools, they have free plan which I use at that time, okay? But they have pro plan which someone use my link to get the pro plan and I get a commission from me. So all those companies reach out to me and pay me for the work that I did for them in this online space. And you too can do the same, and I will recommend the company that I can join for you to start making money if you don't have money to invest in this online space. These are a free platform that you can join for your affiliate marketing if you are someone that doesn't have money, okay? There is Canva affiliate program, there is Seller, there is Amazon Associate that you can join, okay? Gmail has one which you can join and you start making money in this online space. This platform will give you unique link you will use to get started, okay? To give people a handle to register with it or to join the platform, okay? They will give you a unique link which is only you that can use the link to get money, okay? Whenever someone use your link to register or buy a particular things, you get commissions based on the product and the commission value for that same product, right? Right now, what do I do it? How do I do it to start getting people to get registered and start making money with all these companies, right? So what I simply do is that there's ways for you to promote that link, to share that link to people for them to join. So number one is that we have something we call WhatsApp TV. If you're someone that's familiar with WhatsApp TV, WhatsApp TV is there. You can just partner with the person, like, and give the person money to help you post your link, okay? So that person already have audience, okay? Mean that you don't have audience, right? So that person already have audience. What you need to do is to partner with that person. If you have to pay to that person, let them post your link. When they post your link on their status, right? So when people seeing it and they have interest, they will come to you, or you use your Facebook, okay? Post, join a group, join group, partner with some people in that group, okay? Post valuable content in that group that let people know that okay, this is what this person is doing that you really know about, okay? There is Instagram there which you can post video of what you are doing, right? And there is TikTok, there is YouTube automation if you want to do it, which you don't need to show your face, just faceless, and you start promoting your link in the description, right? So this is how I did my business online, and you too can do the same too and start making money immediately, right? These are bonus tips. Like if you want to track your link, there is what we call Bitely, okay? Bitely or Koji, which you can use. All what you need to do is you take your unique link, go to the Bitely, paste it there, and rebrand the link. Bitely will give you another link, okay, which will direct to this to your same link. And whenever I want to track how many people seeing this link, how many people click this link, how many people come to the store to buy what I'm promoting, right? So Bitely will provide everything for you so that you know that okay, this post that I post is very effective. Like you make a lot of money from that post, right? So passive income isn't a magic. So you start today or you start in 1 month, you should have been making a lot of money. Okay, so passive income isn't a magic. Like it's not something that you can start and say you will make money in 1 week. No, give yourself 1 to 2 months to understand it very well, and you start making it big. And if you want the full list of affiliate marketing program, you want the full list of affiliate marketing program, well, just go to the comment section and type passive income there. Then I will give you the PDF on a full list of free affiliate marketing program and a paid one that you can join and start making money with. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share and like these videos so that others can enjoy the benefit of these videos too.